Good morning all of you. Today we are going to discuss the next topic, that is the blood vessels. Okay, blood vessels. In that we know that in the circulatory system different blood vessels are present. Okay, so this circulatory system which is depend on the heart. Okay, then heart चा work काय आहे? It is supply to that of the blood to whole part of our body. Okay, how which blood? That is the oxygenated blood and nutrient which is supplied to whole part of our body. So in that this blood vessel play important role. There are three types of blood vessels which include in the circulatory system or which include in the different function, different parts of heart. There are three. That is one of the type, that is artery. Second, veins, and third one, capillaries. Okay, these three types of blood vessels which play important role in the circulatory system. When we see the structure of these three, means first of all, it is part of aorta. Aorta which is divided into the arteries, and this artery which divide into that of the numbers of capillaries. Okay, artery divide into that of the arteriole. Arteriole, and this arteriole which is divided into that of the capillaries. Okay, means it supplies the blood through that of these all divisible blood vessels. Firstly, aorta, artery, arterioles, then the capillaries. Then इकडे बघितलं veins which is divided into that of the venules and it is connected to that of the capillary. Means in that this particular blood vessels play a particular function in the circulatory system. Okay, so when we see the difference in between the capillaries and arteries and veins, at that time you can see here what is the difference in between the arteries and the veins. We know that is arteries and veins. Arteries, it carry the oxygenated blood from heart and supply to that of the whole part of body or organs of our body. Okay, which blood? That is oxygenated blood. It carries the oxygenated blood from the heart and supply to the whole part of our body or different organ. It is the work of arteries. Comparatively, when we see the veins it play important role at the time of it carry the deoxygenated blood from body part and used to that of the heart for the purification, pass to the heart. Okay, these arteries play important role, carry the oxygenated blood. Veins carry the deoxygenated blood from the body part and pass to the heart for purification. Okay, when we see the at the time of flow, the blood flow, when we see the blood flow at that time, you can see here the blood pressure which is high, and in the veins the blood pressure or blood flow which is low comparatively arteries. In the arteries blood flow which becomes the blood at the time of blood flow, blood pressure which is high in nature, and in the veins at the time of blood flow the blood pressure which is low in nature. Okay, in that the another thing, in the arteries the walls are absent. And second one is that the walls are present. Why the walls are present inside the veins? Because we know that is the arteries supply the oxygenated blood to all over the part, and in the veins it is unidirectional, or it will what happen, हार्ट कडून तो काय करते बॉडी पार्टला नेते, बरोबर आहे. पण इथे काय होणार की ज्यावेळेस हार्ट कडून तो बॉडी म्हणजे बॉडी पार्ट कडून तो हार्ट कडे नेते, पण डीऑक्सिजनेटेड ब्लड नेते. तर इथे काय होतंय, इन विच द फ्लो विल हाय और हार्टकडे तो डिऑक्सिजनेटेड ब्लड घेऊन चालले तर त्याचा जो युनिडायरेक्शन आहे किंवा वन डायरेक्शन जे आहे तर इथे फ्लो जो आहे तो कमी असेल पण बॅक नाही आला पाहिजे म्हणजे it prevent the back flow so that the walls are present walls prevent the back flow so that in the veins the walls are present, okay, and the walls which are absent in the arteries. When we see the different walls are present in the arteries and vein, that is the tunica externa, tunica interna and tunica media. Okay, these three layers which is present or three walls and it is very thick in nature. Thick walls are present inside the arteries and these three layers which is also present inside the veins and it is very soft and thin in nature. Okay, it is walls are present thick and tough in nature and in the veins the walls are present, it is very soft and thin in nature. Okay, then these three layers, that is tunica externa, it is present external side, it is one of the layer externally present. Okay, then inside that is one of the layer which is present tunica interna and in between these two one of the layer which is present that is called as the tunica media. Okay, these three layers which is present. Then it is another important thing in that the most important thing, that is lumen which is present and lumen which is having constricted in the arteries, and when we see the lumen in the veins, that is wide in a nature. Okay, then another important thing, arteries which contains blue pinkish or red color, pinkish or brackish red color, pinkish or brackish red color, and in the veins, the color of veins which having deep red or bluish in a nature. Okay, bluish in a nature, deep red or bluish in a nature. Then in that the wall are thick and we already know. These arteries not collapse when it is absent, but veins are collapsed when it is empty. When it is empty, at the time it collapses, and when veins are collapsed when it is empty. This is one of the difference between the arteries and veins. Okay, arteries which carry the oxygenated blood from the heart to pass the body part, then veins carry the deoxygenated blood from the body part and pass to that of the heart. Okay, then the blood flow which is seen into the arteries, blood pressure which is increase in nature, veins which contain the low blood pressure, walls are absent in the arteries, walls are present in the veins. Then walls, three types of walls are present, that is it is very thick and tough in nature in the arteries, and three types, that is tunica externa, tunica interna, tunica media, which is present in as well as into veins and is soft and thin in nature, lumen which is constricted in the arteries, lumen which is wide into the veins, and pinkish or red color seen into arteries, vein, that is color having deep and red bluish color, and when it is empty it is not collapsed, and when it is empty the veins are empty, when it is empty at that time it collapses in a nature. Okay, veins usually collapse when it is empty. Okay, it is one of the difference between arteries and vein. And when we see the capillaries, it is very thin blood vessels which play important role to pass the oxygenated blood to that of the different part, and deoxygenated blood carried from the heart. In these two both the process, these blood capillaries which play important roles. Okay, blood capillaries. These capillaries which having very thin and soft in the nature, and it is stretchable in the nature. Then it play important role to carry the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood from heart or to pass the heart. Okay. So in this way, these three types of blood vessels play important role in the circulatory system, and by these three blood vessels, the circulatory system which is completed into our human body.